To have a cracker of a match here. It's a hard pitch. The batsman would be wary of the extra bounce. However, once they settle down, the ball will come nicely onto the bat. Greetings everyone, we have both the captains and the match referee for the toss. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. He didn't get any timing on that one. Good shot for a single. Bullseye. What a throw, flat and fast. Oh, has he got him? The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. Turned away for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It is also good for batting. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Now that struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good shot for a single. Well, that's out. Poor shot from the batsman. Must be kicking himself. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. Poor running between the wickets. Really poor. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be 4.